When working with glitter lashes, the one thing you want to do is prepare the wisps beforehand. These lashes are sizes 10 to 17. They're primarily used for wisps, and so what you want to do is prepare the wisps beforehand because it's a little bit tricky. The lashes have a tendency to kind of stick together since there's a lot of glitter and glue on them. So you want to make sure that you have them prepared beforehand because it's easy to get frustrated when you're trying to work and apply the extension and the lashes are kind of sticking together. So if they're already pre-prepared, it's much easier and less frustrating. So it's good to take 5 to 10 minutes beforehand to prepare them. And then another tip that you can use when working with glitter and colored lashes is to always use a clear adhesive. A clear adhesive makes the work look just much more flawless, especially when you're using color.